We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at our 8.5 by 24 foot black enclosed trailer. This is a tandem axle trailer. They come with two 5,200 pound axles. Both axles do have brakes. We have the loading ramp back here. It is These are the latches, the locks, and the lights. Okay. The plywood inside is 3/4 of an inch. And it has plywood sides inside. This is a V-nose trailer. It does have an overhead light here, as well as your roof vent. Inside, it is a height of 6.5 feet. Now, coming back around the front, this does have a 2,000 pound jack. It has a 24-inch Stoneguard. And that is our 8.5 by 24 black enclosed trailer.